Retail investors just bought the SpaceX dip. Apparently, a double-digit sell-off looked less like danger and more like a coupon. In Wednesday's first hour, individual traders bought a net $22.7 million of SpaceX shares, according to Vanda Research. SpaceX was the most bought U.S. stock among retail investors that day. Reuters says retail has not logged a single net selling day since the June IPO. That sounds bullish, until you look at the calendar. On Thursday, SpaceX's first major post-IPO lockup release opens. As many as 912 million shares tied to that first release become eligible for sale. That is enough to more than double the company's current public float. So retail is pushing the shopping cart in while a Costco-sized stockroom door opens behind it. Important distinction. Eligible to sell does not mean 912 million shares will be sold. Elon Musk remains locked under a separate one-year agreement, while executive officers generally face longer restrictions. But many pre-IPO employees and early investors acquired shares at a fraction of the $135 IPO price. Even after the stock fell 49% from its June high, some early holders may still be sitting on enormous gains. Same company, completely different emotional spreadsheet. This is where supply becomes the story. A lockup does not change rockets, Starlink subscribers, or AI contracts overnight. It changes how many existing shares are allowed to reach the market. If newly eligible holders sell aggressively, buyers have to absorb that extra supply. If demand cannot absorb it, price pressure can persist without any new fundamental disaster. If holders mostly keep their shares, the scary unlock could turn into a very expensive nothing burger. And Reuters found evidence for both possibilities. Brokers expect selling, while some advisors say insiders they know are not eager to exit. That makes Thursday less of a prediction and more of a live market test. Watch trading volume, large transactions, and whether SpaceX can hold up as tradable supply expands. If the stock stabilizes while turnover jumps, demand is at least absorbing the larger tradable float. If selling evidence builds and the stock weakens, that would be consistent with the supply overhang mattering. The earnings report was the headline, but ownership structure is now the mechanism. Retail saw the dip. Now the market finds out whether the warehouse has more sellers than shoppers. Price is surface. Liquidity is the message, and today, Liquidity has an unlock schedule.